Hey everybody, are on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to fix Roku private listening not working. Let's go. Step 1. Open settings. System. System restart. Restart. Step 2. Open Roku app, settings, adjust audio delay. Avoid capturing anything outside of the TV screen. Done. Back to remote. That's it. Now we know how to fix Roku private listening not working. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.